How to pay with debit card in Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at Uzum.uz. Log into your account and search for the product you want to purchase. Once you find it, click on the product and select Add to Cart button. After adding all the items you want, go to your cart by clicking on the basket icon at the top right corner. Next, select the products you want to check out and click on Proceed to Checkout. On the checkout page, you will see several payment options. Choose Pay with Debit Card. Enter your card details carefully, including your card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Make sure all the details are correct, then confirm your payment. If your bank requires SMS verification or an OTP code, enter it to complete the transaction. Once the payment is processed successfully, you will see a confirmation message on the screen and also receive an electronic receipt in your personal account. Now you know how to pay with a debit card in Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more online shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.